This market replay tool right here is readily and easily accessible on a desktop app and not the web app. So let me take you through how you can get it onto your PC and start using it the right way. Now, let me show you something right here. If you come to the video that I've made on how to backtest synthetic indices using this feature in a cTrader, I've had a comment over here from 𝘍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙆𝙀𝙊. He was like, why is the bar replay feature not there? Please, can you explain why, please? It's already there, but maybe there's one tiny thing that he might be missing out. So we've had a series of conversation up and front. So at the end of the day, we've resulted to me making this particular video available to actually help clarify everything. So now that is the main purpose of this video. Let's go and see how we can get the software downloaded and have it set up so that we can have access to all the features in there. So if you are on this page right now, all right, if you're on this page, just go to this video description, open it up like this. You're going to see the first link over here, or even you can go to the comment section. You are going to see the very first link over here. Just click on the link. The link is going to take you to a page like this. I'm explaining this to you one-on-one. I want you to understand it very well for me. So once the page load, you have to go ahead and log in. That is if you already have an account, all right? If you don't have an account, you can just go ahead and create one. So I'm going to click on login right here, and I'll just have to log in with my password and my email address. And of course, if you don't have an account, you can just come to the bottom over here and click on sign up. So for me, I'm going to log in right away and get back to you. All right, so here I've logged into my account successfully. All right, so what happens most of the time is when you log in like this, the first thing you're going to see at the top over here is an alert message instructing you to install the desktop app of the web version of cTrader, since it is going to help you have access to a lot of stuff. But then in a situation where you do not have access to that kind of notification that will be popping up on your screen over here, all right, if you don't have access to that, then follow the method that I'm going to show you right now after you've signed up or you've logged into your account. So I'm going to just open a new document or a new tab right here. So what I'm going to do right now is to search for Deriv cTrader, because we have a lot of cTraders out there, but then the specific one we want right now is Deriv cTrader. So let's go ahead and search for that, Deriv cTrader. Good. So we hit enter and let's see the result. Good. So this is what we have. The very first link over here from Deriv, that is what we want. So we just have to click on it and it's going to take us to the platform like this. Good. So once we are here, all we need now is to download this particular software. So you hit on download. So it's going to take us to this portion where we have it for Android, Apple. We have it for Windows, web browser, and Mac OS. Now, the previous one we were using was a web browser. Now, I'm using Windows. So if you're using Windows like me, you go ahead and click here. If you're using Mac OS, you go ahead and click here. So for Windows, just click here and you have your file downloaded right here. You can see it's downloaded over here, cTrader, right? So from here, you can just click on this show in a folder icon. Once it popped up over here, you have it right here. You know how to install an application or Windows already. Just right click and you run it as an administrator. Myself, I've already have it running on my PC already, but then let's go ahead and see what we're going to do. All right, so you can see the prompts, Deriv cTrader is already installed. All right, so after this step, all that you have to do is to log in again with your details once it has been installed. Okay, so once you log in, you're going to have access to this bar replay tool over here. Remember, let me go to my start menu and show you something. cTrader, right? Deriv cTrader. This is the app. Okay, you are not using the web version on Google or any browser. You are using the installed version on your system directly. Okay, so do not use the website. I'm actually stressing this, right? Do not use the website. If after downloading the application on your PC, installing it, and everything has been done successfully as instructed in this video, you should be able to have access to this bar replay tool over here, market replay tool. You should be able to have access to it and use it to your advantage. So, having said that, this is going to be the end of this video, and I hope you've learned something out of it. Go ahead, apply it, and if there's any other thing, let me know in a comment section and I'll be glad to help you, because that is the main reason why I am here. I find pleasure in assisting people when it comes to technical stuff like this, and the joy comes when you are able to do exactly what you want and get it the right way. So let me know if this video actually helped you in a comment section, and if there's any other thing, like I said earlier, don't forget to let me know in a comment section. Hit that like button on the video and also subscribe for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. This is Godsway here.